My name is Rita. I'm your facilitator. I'm going to be taking you through quality control and quality assurance. In this particular session, I'll be taking you through how to run a Xpert sample for proficiency testing.
Examine PT received package to ensure 5 well-labeled sealed DTS samples have been sent to your laboratory. Accession PT samples, and assign them lab numbers. If PT samples can't be tested immediately, communicate to the PT provider, and keep these in a clean dark environment at room temperature. Document the samples in the lab register. Following PT instructions to run the PT samples. Aseptically add 2.5 ml of SR to the DTS. For each DTS use a new SR buffer. Tighten caps and shake vigorously for 20 times. Incubate sample for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, shake sample again for 20 times, followed by 5 minutes incubation. Label the Xpert cartridge with the sample ID. Aspirate 2 ml of liquefied mixture, and transfer to a well-labeled cartridge. Scan the barcode of the cartridge. The machine will analyze the sample and give results. Record result on the official PT form. The forms allow you to capture the type of error if any is obtained. The form also requires you to capture CT values, which can only be captured as numbers. After capturing all the required information, enter the results into the online portal.
The system of online PT is used to access Xpert PT results and also is used to report the results. So this system has been developed to enhance real-time access of results by the sites and also to help the National TB and Reference Laboratory to timely analyze results. The system is available and can be accessed on all available web browsers. And when I go in Chrome, I'm going to type in silugpt.com. So that is the link. So after typing in silugpt.com, it's going to direct me to this page. So when it directs me to this page, I'm going to click on login. So my username, I'm going to paste it there. and then I'm also going to put in my password. So after putting in my username and password, I'm going to proceed to log in. It will direct me to this window. So this window has the account profile, and then on your right, it has results, it has reports, it has profile and logout. Immediately after filling in your Xpert PT form that comes together with the samples, you will have to proceed to go to your results. So it will direct us to a list of schemes, and we are going to click on Xpert. It will bring a window of the different rounds that have been provided by NTL. So in this case, I'm going to concentrate on round 2, 2023, and I'm going to click on that to enter my results. It gives you a provision to attach a hard copy of the form that you've already entered on results, and this form we are referring to is the Xpert PT form. So when you go to the section of adding PT results, so it has different slots where you're going to be adding in results. The first slot is on assay model. So the assay model we are dealing with is that Xpert has two models, RIF and also RIF Ultra. So we are going to click on RIF Ultra. You proceed to the next thing, which is panel ID. So the panel ID we are going to enter sequentially from A1 to A5. So you click on A1. Then you're also going to click the machine serial number. So this is 100 23456. That's my machine serial number. Then Xpert A1, what was the results of MTB is low. So that's what I'm going to click on. Then what was the Xpert for results for rifampicin for A1? For A1 on my results is not detected. That's what I'm going to enter. Then I'm also going to enter the probe values. So these are cycle threshold probe values. So the first one, the first cycle threshold probe we are looking at is IS1081 to IS6110. So on my reading for sample A1 to a 16.9, so I'm going to enter that. Then the next one is RPOB1, which in this case was 18.9. I also enter that. Then I go to B2, which was 20.1. Then B3, which was 20.2 to 20.4. And then the SPC for this sample was 26.7. Then B4 was 20.4. And then the module number for this machine we used to run this sample was A3. And then the Xpert expiry cartridge, the expiry date, I'm going to look out for it. So in this case, the expiry was 24th December. So to also the key information to note is when you receive the panel. So these panels were received in September. So the National TB and Reference Laboratory also sends out the panels in the last week of August and the last week of February of each year. So this time round at my facility, the samples came in on 4th September 2023, and I tested them on 7th September 2023. So I didn't get any error code. So after entering all the information, you need to verify that all the information you've entered is correct. The moment you click add result, the result will automatically upload and do not be able to change it. So at this point, we ask you to always review before you click add results. So I've reviewed and everything is okay. So I go ahead to add result. So the moment I click that, it will save and automatically move on to the next sample. So I'll do this, I'll repeat this until sample A5. So after entering sample A5, so I'll have to proceed to upload my hard copy. So let me enter my sample A5 results. So this is IS1081. What was the reading? This was 16.6. Then B2 was 18.9. B3 was 20.1. To B1 was 20.1, B3 was 19.8, then SPC was 26.0, then B4 was 21.0. The module number used was A1. So at this point, I'm also going to add my results. So after adding results, it would bring to me a window which says you have successfully submitted your result. So after saying I've successfully submitted my results, so it tells you, please click here to attach your result sheet. So I'll click here to attach my result sheet, and then it will direct me to browse. So when I browse, I'm going to go to where my results have been put. So I've put my results on the desktop, and I'm going to look out for them. So my results are here. So I open, and after opening, I'm going to add. So it will show me submitted successfully. My file was uploaded. So that completes my process of submission of PT results. This process should be done for every round, because if you don't upload your results online, they will not be able to be analyzed. So how do you now access your report? The report is always available 6 weeks after the deadline of submission. So you always have to pay attention on the result form that is sent to you. It always has the deadline. And from looking at this deadline, you'll have to just add 6 weeks from this in order for you to know that my report is available. So in this case, when you go to submitted results, we have the different rounds. So you'll just click on the reports, and it will direct you to here. So I'll go to round 2. I'll look at feedback report 1, feedback report 2, and summary report. So the moment you click here, automatically it will be able to download the report, and you'll be able to print. Thank you.